interest rates traders borrow and lend money, and the idea is quite simple. You want to borrow at a low interest rate, and you want to lend at a high interest rate. So a lot of what is done on that desk, the STIRT desk, the short-term interest rates trading desk, is one-day loans. Corporations, pension funds, hedge funds that have loans running out will come to people like me and say, we've got a loan in 6 months. What interest rate will you give us for a loan starting in 6 months' time? On a very, very basic level, where the economy is good, sometimes just because inflation is overheating, the central banks raise rates, and they cut rates when the economy is weak. So in a very broad sense, although we are also looking at inflation, really we're trying to judge the strength of the economy. In my desk, there were about 10 traders, and each trader's job was to look at a different currency, and you kind of get promoted through the ranks. It's split between what you'd call rich world currencies and what they call emerging market, poor country currencies. So on my desk, the rich world desk, we're basically doing Europe, Japan, North America, Australia, New Zealand. First I was, desk junior, buying the coffees. Then I was New Zealand dollar trader. Then I was Swiss franc trader. Then eventually I was Euro trader. Then I moved to Japan and I was yen trader. As interest rates traders, we make loans. We borrow and lend money. We try to borrow cheaper and lend high. A lot of people do that by a variety of dodgy ways. What I tried to do, and what I think is most interesting, is I did that by trying to predict the strength of the economy. So in 2011, by the time I became a really profitable trader, Citibank, for some reason, had this big thing where they wanted to become the biggest bank in the world in terms of volumes traded. And because we do one-day loans, it's massive volume, because if you borrow money for a day, you have to come back every day. It's stupid, but it looks like really big volume, and it meant that senior management had asked me to try to do as much trade as I could. So I was probably lending and borrowing between currencies, probably not far off $1 trillion a day of a variety of currencies, which was ridiculous, but it's what I've been asked to do.
And that, what he's saying here is this. They are seeking that commission that comes up at 5 o'clock. So they're doing 24-hour loans. So they're always going to go in that direction on these longs, buys. So they want to get that commission. And within a week or two or a day, whatever it is, they'll be in profit of their trades. But what their take is, and that's it. So thank you, God bless. Let's even give him a little like here, a comment, which we never do, or rarely. Thank you, God bless. That's excellent.